walking exercise. Here there's a vacant parking lot where we can do a little bit of walking. Lots of seagulls. Your hair is getting blown away. Why don't you tie it up? What kind of tree is that?
That one is a, that's a good question. That's a,
There's some
yeah,
flowers.
I think it's an elm. I want to say an elm tree. With that little diamond-shaped leaf.
With white trunk.
Yeah, I think it's an elm.
There, that's a vegetable. It's a rhubarb.
It is kind of wild,
But it's not edible.
really good.
Somebody's barbecuing. Really cute. We're gonna repair this parking lot.
They're just minimized. They're keeping them separated.
Yeah,
That one they're using. This one.
stuck in Ohio.
Oh yeah, it's clear.
What island is it?
That's right on the shoreline of Ohio.
Yeah.
Bessie.
Not Cleveland.
Bessie Powerhouse. Keep coming out. That one's running.
Not in Gypsum.
They did a outage there at the same time.
Not benches. That's all donated from the bottle cup donations that the girl collected.
What is it?
Oh, that's not it. That's the wooden one. The plastic one.
That one over there.
Yeah, that one. The black. Not away from the humans. Away from the humans. Because it's windy from the beach. That's the lake beach over there. She became a human being today. You're more human now.
There's hope.
No construction boots no more. Your everyday shoes is the construction safety boots.
I'm wearing my construction shirt.
Blackbird with an orange dot. People here are lucky to have a big park, state park. With a big parking lot. See how big parking, how wide it is.
Water for a fish. Good brand. Doesn't seem right. Okay. Those aren't full. Now that kind of sucks. Why do I like two different directions? 50% confused. Look at that. It's actually made pretty well, and they were good, and they made them all the same size bolts. Brakes.
It folds down. You're good at that. Sledgehammer.
I'm a sledgehammer kind of guy.
You,
Finesse tool.
you did that in Louisiana in the truck.
Yep.
The fifth wheel.
Top one is that. What's this?
You want me to hold it?
No.
Or just take a video?
You just take the video. Where's that dog? There it goes.
New bike rack. We're keeping our bicycle. We're keeping the bicycle.
We'll see.
That bike. Let the new owner fix it. It's actually complete already, but we're just gonna get rid of it. Spending all kinds of money fixing that bike, and then now we're shooting the peanut for the squirrel.
Close.
Close. That's the bike rack. That's how it's gonna look like.
No. Just make sure it works.
It's meant for 4 bikes, but we only have 2. Oh, that's good. I don't know how to bike. I need to train more. Owner.
Yep, thank you.
That's why we love van. We love van. We love Ford van.
Where is it?
That one in the right. You can turn the van into a camping van. Into a camper. They call it a camper. See that over there? It's all camper. Avenger. We're not gonna buy one of those. It's too expensive. We're just poor. This guy is poor. It's a nice boat. You can actually buy your second-hand camper trailer. Camper trailer, right? That one.
Yeah.
You can get it second hand here in the US.
Actually, there's one right around the corner.
Cheap.
Get it.
If you have the money. Maybe about 20 to 60.
It's not even that. Depends.
Depends. Those 1960s. Those what the... Those ones are nice. Camper. Tracer, Outback, Sunset. It's like your house on the road. King size Kit Kat.
Alright, let's try
You want
this.
some?
Huh?
You want some?
I've got one right there.
What is yours?
Same thing.
Oh, really? There's no black.
Same. So
The black Kit Kat is more better.
Kit Kat is so good.
Thank you. How are you?
Good.
I give you some white.
people are doing the right thing. Not everybody is, but
Not everybody's wearing masks.
no, but most people are. The majority are.
We're gonna tell Governor Como they're not wearing
Yeah.
masks.
So,
Kidding.
bye.
Bye.